Hi, everyone. Some of you may know me and remember me, Bill Wild, director of the first year experience. For those of you who don't, I'm still Bill Wild, director of the first year experience. This graduation time, I would say right about now, you probably had a lot of days in the last few years where you thought, I do not know if I am ever going to make it to graduation. But you probably never quite thought that graduation might not be there when you arrived. And yet, here we are. So, at this time, a couple brief stories come to mind for you that I would like to share. The first, many of you may be familiar with, either the book or the movies. You may recall that it begins as follows. Every engineer down in Davisville cared about graduation a lot. But COVID-19, who was new to these parts, did not. COVID did not care about graduation the whole graduation season. No one had to ask why. Contagions do not need a reason. And of course, as the story goes on, we see how COVID gradually removes the decorations, the food, musical instruments, even the large gathering arena itself. And yet, when we come to the end of the story, we find COVID surprised to see that the celebration is still taking place. It came without tassels. It came without caps. It came without processions, without shouts, without claps. Somehow he hadn't stopped graduation from coming. Somehow or other it came, just the same. Maybe, he thought, graduation isn't only the roar. Maybe graduation, to them, means a little bit more. We could step back. Some of you may have been in this room, some of you not. This was December 7th, 2016, the end of the ES 199 turbine project with the award presentation and the rest. And at that time, we said something that I think still holds true for you now. We were about to give out awards to some, and of course point out that a lot of work gets done that's really excellent, but there's only so many awards that can be given. And we said at that time that whatever you leave here with, whether you leave with the award or not, what you do leave with is everything that you put into this. The level at which you engaged it, the level at which you struggled with it, the learning you got from it, the resilience you built from it, the creativity, the project team experience, all that you take with you no matter what else happens. So that kind of our situation right now. I am sorry that you won't be able to have, the joy, the happy sharing of celebration that you really deserve with all your hard work and sacrifices. But these things remain with you that can never be taken, right? These friendships, these life experiences, this learning. In the end, to leave with exactly what you put into this is not a small thing after all. So I wish you the best. Go out there, be creative, and find ways to party like engineers, but safely. All the best, everyone.